have to remember that our future customers will be taking an extremely critical look at the project. Are we ready for them?
Just one moment. Okay, now.
Let's quickly run through the topics one last time. I'm going to start by briefly outlining the fundamental objective for the F500. I'm going to say that it bears the suffix mind because it's a car with intellect, which has a greater sense of its environment than any vehicle that has preceded it. And then I will go on to say how it reflects the future wishes of the customer, etc., etc. Then it's your turn, Thomas, to say something about drive systems.
Well, first a few general remarks on the benefits of the hybrid drive unit. This will be accompanied by this short video clip showing the sophisticated combination of the diesel engine and the electric motor. In build-up areas, the F500 Mind glides along, powered solely by its electric motor. However, the diesel engine is able to cut in at any time to provide extra power. The drive torques of the two engines together total in excess of 800 Newton meters, giving the F500 Mind tremendous accelerating power.
Then I will discuss the design of the vehicle itself with its variable door concept. The basis is a conventional door arrangement with two doors on each side which swing open forwards. To make access even easier, the rear door together with the B-pillar can also be swung open to the rear. Despite the missing pillar, the F500 boasts high structural rigidity. We've equipped the vehicle with a revolutionary central pillar. As a result, the roof struts can be made much more slender, clearly enhancing both the appearance and the practicality of the F500 Mind.
Dr. Falter then takes over with the HMI, Human-Machine Interface.
I'll start with the instrumentation, which appears to have quite a conventional design at first glance. It's only when watching the animated sequence that you realize that the generously sized display actually houses a combination of LCD screens and analog dials, which are then superimposed using a semi-transparent mirror. Information can be positioned anywhere on the screen and then called up at the push of a button. The same applies to the image produced by the night vision system, and this is where Thomas comes in.
This technology is best explained by the video clip we produced.
Night vision is an active system that will enable drivers to see better in future when it's dark, raining or foggy. The surroundings are reflected by an infrared laser and reproduced in black and white on the display. Night vision can detect the course of the road and any obstacles over a distance of up to 150 meters. With conventional low-beam headlamps, this distance is a mere 40 meters.
Complex control menus are a thing of the past in the F500 Mind. Ultra-sensitive proximity sensors are used to help locate functions quickly and simply. I'll demonstrate this using the air conditioning adjustment as an example. Moving the hand closer automatically activates the corresponding function on the central display. All functions relating to the air conditioning system are immediately displayed and can be adjusted using the touchpad controls. Couldn't be any simpler.
Then I come in with by-wire technology. Apart from the steering, both the throttle and the brake will work with by-wire technology for the first time too. Pressure-sensitive plates assume the functions of the conventional pedals. The forces applied are relayed by electronics instead of mechanical moving parts. This means that only light pressure is needed for the sensitive control of the throttle and brake, and then I hand back to Mr. Tolka.
And the cone of sound. This is relatively straightforward to explain. With a standard sound system, everyone hears everything. With the cone of sound, noises such as warning signals, announcements, navigational instructions are carefully directed at the driver so that he hears it, but it doesn't disturb the other passengers. As a result, the passengers will be able to enjoy the onboard entertainment, which in the future will be offered in holographic form without any interference.
Excellent. I think that gives us a most impressive insight into the world of possibilities of the cutting-edge motoring technologies of the future. Just in time, too. Now let's see what our future customers have to say about the F500 Mind.
Wow.